Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Sherry. If you have never been here before, welcome. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you haven't seen my other two unboxing videos, definitely go check those out. I will have them linked somewhere up here and also down in the description box. My last ring box here, so we're just gonna dive right in. Really excited. So sad that this is my last one, but I only did the 3-month subscription because I didn't need like a ton of stuff, and I still am not going to use everything that they gave me in these boxes anyways, so I might hold on to some stuff for my best friend. She's getting married maybe in like a year or two, so I can always like use some of the things I got in these boxes for her. So there's a big white slender box here. Not sure what this is. Ooh, yes. Future Mrs. Although I think that's I don't like that it says Future Mrs. because once I'm married, how do I like get rid of the future part? You know what I mean? Like I'm gonna have like someone take that text off or something. So kind of poor product managing on their end. I mean, it's so cute. I love this, but I'm not always going to be a future Mrs. You know what I mean? Like, it should just say Mrs. But whatever, it comes with this cute little reusable straw. I like the color. It's like a rose gold. Really pretty. I like it. But yeah, if I don't like the text, hopefully I can like get it removed or something and have it replaced with a different text. But yeah. Next, there is a bride hairpin. That's really cute because I can wear that on like my bridal shower day. Oh, okay, I thought this was a sash, but it's actually a koozie. Oh, that's cute. So this is a bride koozie. So really like that. It's pink. It's like an ombre pink or like a tie-dye pink. So that's really cute. I like the text. There's it on both sides. So that's useful. A piece of jewelry again. So I'm seeing like a trend here. Oh, it's not jewelry. It's actually this is a cute little like mirror. Really pretty. And it's so funny because when I was on my bachelorette trip, I realized that I didn't have like a mirror in my purse. So I actually need a compact mirror. And this is cute because it says Mrs. on it. So really like that. So cute. Okay, next we have another shirt. Another white shirt, which is always like, I always get stains on my white shirts. Oh, this is cute. So this is a t-shirt that says fiance. Gotta say, I'm probably gonna crop this because it's very big and long for being a small. Like, hello, super long. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna crop this, but yeah, that's cute. I mean, it says fiance. I'm not gonna be a fiance forever either, but it's fine. This is like a cute shirt to sleep in, so really like it. And then there's one more thing in here. Goodbye, Miss. Hello, Mrs. I think this is like a journal or a notebook or something. Let's see. My batch bash, guest list, photo. Oh, it's cute. That's like a little scrapbook. So you can put like photos of different you know, engagement milestones here. You can kind of, you know, insert a photo, write a little something about it. Really sweet. I really like this. So that's it for this box. That was my last box. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you are subscribed to the ring boxes or if you have been, or if you would give them a shot. I think they're really cute. The only thing I have to say is, you know, there's not a lot of variety, and also, you know, like the future Mrs. or like the fiance style clothes are kind of like, you know, like you're not going to be those things forever, so you're kind of like stuck with this stuff that says future Mrs. and fiance. But yeah, that's it today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I always appreciate it. And until I see you next time, bye.